Let's see chapter number 11, phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs means it is very useful to place preposition of adverbs after certain verbs so as to obtain special meaning. यानी कुछ words के special meaning होते हैं. जैसे यहाँ पे कुछ ऐसे words दिए हैं. Give away means give to someone, anyone. Give up, stop, a habit or attempt. Look after means take care of. Look for means search for. And look out means beware. ओके, यहाँ पे देखो कुछ ऐसे वर्ड्स दिए हैं, उसके मीनिंग भी दिए हैं. ये दोनों मीनिंग्स हम सेंटेंस में यूज कर सकते हैं. इट इज कॉल्ड फ्रेजल वर्ब्स. The student need not to try to decide whether the combination, the verb preposition or verb adverb, but should consider the expression as a whole. यहाँ पे दो एग्जाम्पल्स दिया है. He took off his hat. वो अपनी कैट हैट निकाल रहा है. The plane took off at 10 o'clock. यहाँ पे प्लेन भी यानी फ्लाइट ले रहा है, यानी फ्लाइट है तो उसके लिए भी एक वर्ड्स दिया है टूक ऑफ. दोनों वर्ड्स में सेंटेंस में देखो टूक ऑफ ये दिए हैं, ये फ्रेज हुई है. Students should carefully note the meaning and use of the phrasal verbs given below. यहाँ पे phrasal verbs दिए हैं, ये हमें अभी पढ़ना है. एक साइड में रेड इसमें दिया है phrasal verbs, उसके एग्जाम्पल दिया है और उसके मीनिंग दिया है. जैसे ब्रेकडाउन का मीनिंग होते हैं स्टॉप फंक्शनिंग, और इसका एग्जाम्पल से माई कार ब्रोक डाउन ऑन द हाईवे. सेकंड, ब्रिंग अप, चिल्ड्रन आर ब्रॉट अप डिफरेंटली इन अदर कंट्रीज मीन्स एजुकेटेड इन द फैमिली. Call back, could you call back tomorrow please means telephone again. Call for, I will call for you at 7 o'clock means collect. Call off, they have called off the strike means cancel. Carry on, are you going to carry on studying German? Continue. Catch up, you set off the I will catch you up. Hurry after and join. 8. Close down, the factory closed down last year, closed permanently. Come from, he comes from Bangladesh, was born in. Drop in, I thought I would drop in on you while I was passing, visit usually. Eat out means it's nice to eat out for a change, eat in a restaurant. Fall out means Liz and Jack fall out again, quarrel. And fall through means I'm afraid our holidays plan have fallen through means collapse. Collapse means plan and arrangement. And 14 is fill in. Fill in means would you fill in your name and address please means complete. And 15, find out, I hope you nobody find out means discover the truth. And get back means we got back from the France last night means discover the truth. Take next example. Phrasal verbs, examples and meaning. Put up means can you put me up for the weekend means accommodated. Put you up with I'm afraid you just have to put with it tolerate. Ring back means can you ring back please means re-telephone. Run out of means we will run out of sugar, there is no left. Save up means I am saving up for my holiday, put aside money. See off means go with the to station, airport. Set off means start a journey. Settle down means establish a regular home. Show off means boost look, grow up compliant. Sleep in means wake up late. Sort out means arrangement systematically. Stand up for means defend. And look after means resemble. Take off means leave the ground and begin. And tail off means scold. Think about means consider. And think of means pay attention to. Think over means consider carefully. Try on means check clothes. And turn down means refuse, reject. And turn off means stop. Turn on means switch on. Turn out means produce. Turn up means make louder radio. And make up means wake from sleep. Walk out means go on strike. And wash up means wash dishes. And wear out means become old and unstable. Work out means solve. Wrap up means put in paper. And write down means put something down in words on paper. यहाँ पे भी दिए हैं कुछ वर्ड्स जैसे फ्रेजल वर्ड्स, मीनिंग और उसके एग्जाम्पल भी दिए हैं. सिर्फ मैं आपको फ्रेजल और उसके मीनिंग क्या है वो मैं पढ़ के दिखाती हूँ. इसके एग्जाम्पल आपको अपने बुक में से रीड करना है. गेट ऑफ मीन्स लीव द बस. गेट ऑन मीन्स सक्सीड. Get on with, agree, work well together. Get out of means avoid, get over means recover, get round to means find time to do, get through means make a successful phone call, get up rise from bed, give up means stop trying, go up means become bad, grow up means matured, hang up finish a phone call, have on tease, hold on wait particularly on the phone, keep up means maintain continue, lockdown means be in a traffic accident, laugh at means mock ridicule, lay down means disappoint, lie in means stay in bed, look after means take care of, look at means examine carefully, look for seek, and look forward to anticipate with pleasure, and look out for means try to meet, and look up means seek information in a book, pack up means stop doing something, and play back means return a debt, pay off means dismiss, pick up means collect, and put off means delay. Okay, and put off means disturb, and put on wear, and put through connect on a telephone. यहाँ पे देखो examples and let's see exercise number 26. Fill in the blank spaces with suitable words. You can choose from the boxes on the right. A. I can't hear. With this insult, यहाँ पे देखो options are given. Okay. Blow out the candle, please. He backed out of his promise. Will you back me up in the meaning? He bore away many prizes in sports and studies. 6 is our army bore down the enemy. 7th is he will bear out what I have said. 8 is he bore up well against all misfortune. 9 the nurse was attending on the patient. 10 attend to what the teacher is saying. B the thief broke open the box. About, open, down, up, in, into, out, with. All options are given. Okay, the bridge was blown up by the enemy. His health broke down due to hard work. A thief broke into our house last night. The school broke up for a winter holidays. I have broken with my selfie friends. Gambling brought about his ruin. A new fashion has been brought in this winter, and bring up the main idea of this poem. Okay, let's see exercise. Call in the doctor, please. The strike has been called off. I called on my friend this morning. 4th is carry on with your work, please. 5th, my order must be carried out. Price have come down now. His marriage comes off next Monday. The truth will at last come out. Frame came upon as I enter the examination hall. D exercise. Cut down your expenditure. The electricity supply was cut off. The path was cut through the jungle. This noise draws up my attention. He got through the examination this year. You should not have fallen out with your friends. Our soldier fell on the enemy and defeated him. Please get on with your work. You will get over the difficulties of if you have courage. The number of passengers has fallen down due to the fear of plague. The gun went off by accident. Hold in your temper, please. These apples are giving out a very bad smell. You should give up your bad habits. We will have held up by fog on the way. What kept you from joining me? Don't keep on asking silly questions. He kept up his courage in all difficulties. It is unkind to laugh at the poor. You have left out many words. F. Windows let in light and air. He let the air out of the tires. He is looking for a job. The teacher asked the boy to look at the blackboard. The rich should not look down on the poor. I look to my father business in this absence. Student always look forward to holidays. The police is looking into the matter and look through these notes before the examination. I can't make out what you what you want to say. इस प्रकार से आपको ये पूरे एग्जाम्पल्स आपके कॉपी में सॉल्व करना है. थैंक यू.